Hi there, it's Nika, product lead at Coupler.io. Today I want to talk about connecting Google Ads to Claude. This connection is super useful. It lets you use simple prompts to turn a big mass of Google Ads data into performance reports like this one. But there's always a catch. To connect Google Ads to Claude via Google's own MCP, you've got work to do. Enable the API, get a token, authenticate using Google's credentials, configure environment variables, and the list goes on. Plus, since Google Ads MCP is Gemini powered, it's officially documented only for Gemini. So you can theoretically connect it to Claude, but there are no documented examples of the integration. This requires some programming experience, or better, a developer at hand who can help you out. And that's exactly where Coupler.io connector comes in. It lets you connect Google Ads to Claude with zero technical knowledge, all in under 5 minutes. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the two, and how to get performance report dashboards just by prompting Claude. So let's get straight to it. First, if you haven't already, sign up for Coupler.io. It's free. Coupler.io is a data integration platform and AI analytics. It pulls data from your Google Ads account with an automated pipeline called a data flow, and then it loads it into Claude. Let's start by creating a new data flow. Click on Data Flows. You can use a pre-built templated dataset, but for this video we'll start from scratch. Give it a fitting name so that AI can find it later. Select Google Ads from the sources and click Connect. Choose the Google account you want to sign in with. Give Coupler the required permissions and hit Continue. Under Basic Settings, select one or more ad accounts to extract data from. For the report type, leave it on Campaign Performance. On the next step, configure the report period. Pick the start and end dates and split data by periods. Once you're ready, click Finish and Proceed. That takes you to the Sources page. You'll see a success message in the lower right corner. Next, go to the Datasets tab. We'll extract data and fetch you a preview of 500 rows real quick. Now to the Destinations tab. Select Claude from the list of AI integrations, click Save and Run, and we'll import data from your Google Ads account to Claude. Now open Claude. Navigate to Connectors, select Coupler.io from the list. Click Connect. Authorize Claude to access your Google Ads data. You'll see another success message and Coupler.io on the connectors list. Now let me show you how it works. I'll start by opening my project. In it, I've instructed Claude to be an experienced data analyst. That really improves the answers it gives. Then I'll prompt the AI to create a weekly campaign performance report, based on my Google Ads to Claude data flow. Let it do its thing. And there you have it, a packed report that would otherwise take hours to prepare manually. It has the numbers on every important metric you'd need, like total spend, blended CTR, conversions, blended CPA, and campaign level flag. As usual, branded search performs the best. So let's ask Claude where to put an extra 1000. Give it a moment to think. It analyzes the campaigns and recommends where my money should not go first, and where I have the best odds spending it. Okay, this is useful info, but I need it neatly packed for my CMO. I can't just present them numbers. And here's what Claude made for us. A presentation I can easily deliver to my boss. It took less time to make it than you can say AI is taking over our jobs. Quick disclaimer here. Before you take the report to your boss, always verify the numbers. That cuts the risk of hallucinations. They can still happen, so a double check won't hurt. And most importantly, it's not a replacement for your judgment, just a time saver. And that's it for today. Beyond performance reports with Google Ads and Claude, you can also prepare whole campaigns, analyze and find the right keywords, even generate professional-grade Google Ads. We'll see how to do all of that in the next video. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss when it lands. In the meantime, click here to learn more about AI analytics. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.